Oh yeah.
That's the vlog. I've been waiting for the vlog, man. I've been waiting for the vlog. I've been waiting for the vlog. Watch out. I've been waiting for the vlog, man. See, I'm looking good.
Oh yeah.
I'm swimming. Get off these niggas. I'm swimming. Get off these niggas.
I got 21 candles on the cake and it's all for you. Yeah. We gon' pop a couple bottles tonight. Yeah, you know how we do.
What's good? You like that? Alright, I have nothing planned for today, but we're just gonna go with the flow. Right now, I'm about to go to Pollo Tropical, get one of my pro fights, some noodles, get him some food, because he's feeling kind of sick right now. So we're about to do that. I'm gonna get you some of my dirty dishes. Ooh. Got the food. In his building now. About to drop this food off, this soup. Then I'm about to go out to this Kappa car wash, go support them boys. Yo, I can hear the mucus. Hurry up. Sick ass nigga. Here you go. No problem, bro. Get better. Alright, drop that off. Next stop, car wash. Bro, it's such a dead day on campus today. Oh my gosh. Like, nobody's out. There's no kids are even at the field. What the fuck? Where the fuck everybody at? What's good, bro? Where you want to park at?
Oh, you want me to turn?
Yeah. What's good, bro? Of course.
Go.
What's good, bro? Hey, what up, slut? Oh, yeah. Say it to the vlog.
Hey, you already know the fuck going on, man.
Hey, ugly ass nigga. Shout out to them boys, car wash.
You already know the fuck going on, man. OG, baby.
This nigga Noah on the fucking grill. Don't know how to cook.
Hey, yeah, of course, nigga. You know what I'm talking about, boy.
Ugly as fuck. Out here right now, Kappa barbecue. Well, not barbecue, but yeah. They got some burgers for their car wash, so it's lit. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, ugly.
I'ma just
picked up Najee. About to watch some car wash. Ugly ass Jared.
what's good, dude? Your Snapchat?
Nah, the vlog.
Hello?
Alright, chilling with Najee in his room. Najee dirty ass room.
Hey, bro, fuck you, bro. Get my room off the snap, you bitch.
Hey, what trophy is that for?
You bitch.
Okay, never mind. Alright, so you're getting ready for this Blazers photo shoot. Your boy is broken, don't got clean clothes like the rest of his brothers,
Hey,
so he's
shit,
wearing...
I broke too, baby. You feel me?
Oh yeah, but we out right now. Damn, no. Look at this nigga.
What are you honestly saying, damn?
But look at all his hair.
That's not. Oh yeah, that's probably it.
That's not you. I don't have any hair.
That's the rest of that shit. Not me. The hair around your other stuff.
I don't have any hair. He single-handedly fucked up my whole counter. Anyways, yeah, we on the way over there right now. Don't want to wear a blazer.
You gotta wear a blazer, bro. Blazer.
Bro, I don't give a fuck. Oh yeah, it is blazers. Dang. I'm gonna wear no blazers to a Blazers photo shoot. Cause I can. Ready?
Yeah. Put my jacket back on.
Look at you. You look clean. You look good.
Trying to be like you or something.
Definitely not. You don't want to be like me. I'm wearing a skull cap.
Are you really wearing the skull cap?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Are you not wearing a blazer?
No. No, I am not.
I dig it, fuck it. It's up your belt. What's my wearing in your pants? No,
Cause I'm skinny.
No homo.
Oh, look at that. Brotherhood.
There you go. Bam.
Alright, we out. Oh, yeah.
Greetings, Ashanti.
You got it. You got
How you doing, brother?
Ashanti, K, Stewart, Mr. Knowledge, Akil, all of that. Hello.
Greetings.
Greetings, brethren.
Look at it. This is fresh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's the vlog. I've been waiting for the vlog, man. I've been waiting for the vlog. I've been waiting for the vlog. Watch out. I've been waiting for the vlog, man. See, I'm looking good.
Oh yeah.
I'm swimming. Get off these niggas. I'm swimming. Get off these niggas. Damn, y'all already had y'all sign.
Oh yeah. Look at the trench coat.
What's on, man? FAU Lavish chapter.
Easy. Looking like a Alpha DP.
Hey guys.
It's ugly.
That's a vlog, boy. I've been waiting for it. Hey, don't drown. Don't drown on them, dude.
Swimming. Oh my god.
Ha! Man, your hands wet.
Hi guys.
So we out here right now doing this vlog. Oh yeah. Blake looking fresh. Oh yeah, ladies. We got shade with the pink blazer, of course.
Oh my
Got
God.
no bro over here. What's up, bro? You straight?
Hey, is it possible to take a picture?
Oh yeah. Her birthday boy. We lit his Getty. Fuck up my shoes.
Dang, bro, you messed up the
I know, bro. Damn, you stepped on my blazer and I can't wear it.
I was trying to, baby.
Oh yeah. Seems about right.
I mean, all I know is three
This
pieces.
is
I ain't gonna lie to you. That's all I know is three pieces. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Hey, follow him below.
Yeah, follow me on Instagram at Justin Romello Visuals, at Justin Romello, at Warriors in Paradise, at Justin Romello Thrift, and follow me on Snapchat too at Pimp Daddy Loman.
There it is.
Follow me on YouTube. Third Strike. It's 3RD Strike. It got to be together than INC on YouTube. And then Body by Dag. That's the workout page. And then Dagger 14 _14 on Instagram. You feel me? If you don't follow it, I'ma know. Hey, what's going on, everybody? You had your shine. What's going on, everybody, on this vlog, boy? It's your boy Snap Guy on this shit. Hey, y'all boys follow us at All Snap Media. You know we run this shit around here.
Easily. Follow them boys below. Clean ass car. Always got velvet blazer.
Man, we hit.
But yeah, we out here right now. Everybody getting right, doing a little photo shoots. Got an after party coming up too, so it's about to be lit. Right here in Meisner, in the heart of Boca, where the rich people stay. That's my little brother, people over there.
Hey, you feel me? Go follow me on Snapchat. Low-key's that vibing, you feel me?
What's your Snapchat name?
Low-key's that vibing, you feel me? It ain't gonna be down there, but y'all know. How long I got phone call? Hello?
We're here talking to nobody.
No, I'm busy right now.
So what they're doing is putting the amount of numbers that they're gonna have in the countdown. So if this is 9, then this gonna be number 9 for the countdown, so on and so forth. You got Shade over there directing it, and his pink blazer. Yeah,
I might just finish eating. What y'all doing after this?
Chilling with the LBs, about to go to the calf right now. It's lit, follow them below. Nah, I was just vlogging. I said came back to the room, we chilling with them. So what's up?
Hello.
Yeah, those ugly ass niggas. We just strolling right now, practicing. I'm about to pick up Trayvon now. I'm about to go to a couple of these Gettys. End our night off, right? Windy as fuck outside, dog. Windy as hell. But yeah, I'm about to pick him up right now. About to be out. I forgot to Snapchat all of the Gettys. I went to 2 Gettys. It was lit. No, the first one was alright. Second one was pretty lit. Yeah, that's it. Went back to my room, and my day is over. My bad. I folded it. I really forgot to Snapchat it. Oh well. Yeah.